I'm Di. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for returning if you've been here before, and if this is the first time that you're here, thanks for joining us. So what we normally do on this channel, cooking, craft and gardening. So today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen and we're doing some cooking. So today we're making, it's a cooked, sorry, I've got to get the name right. So today we are baking a Sultana cream cheesecake. So let's have a look at what ingredients we're going to be using. So the ingredients that we're using, 1.5 cups of caster sugar. How much? 185 grams of butter or margarine, 250 gram packet of cream cheese. We need 4 eggs. We need 250 grams of sultanas, 200 grams of cherries, 2 teaspoons of lemon rind, and 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of self-raising flour. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to cream our butter and sugar, but also to that we're going to be adding our cream cheese as well. So, just open up the cream cheese. Okay. Now, just check that. And we also need our lemon rind in there. There we go. So we'll just cream all that together. And we'll come back once I've creamed that. Okay, so we creamed that until it's light and fluffy, and now we just have to add the eggs one at a time. So we have 4 eggs, and we'll just do that one at a time. Get that eggshell out of there. I'll just scrape down the sides to make sure that everything is properly mixed in. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to add the flour. I do need to sift this flour. So it says to add it in 2 batches. Again, I'm scraping down the sides of the bowl so that it can all mix in properly. That's all mixed in, and now we just have to add the fruit. So we're adding the sultanas and the cherries, and we just need to stir those through. Just want to make sure that this is evenly mixed through. There, that looks even. Okay, now we're going to put it in our prepared cake tin, and I'm using the I've forgotten the name of this. But anyway, I'm using the ring tin. I just find that it cooks better in this. So just putting the mixture in there. A bundt pan, I think they're called. And then we just cook this in a very slow oven. So the oven temperature is 120 to 150 degrees Celsius. And it says it takes an hour and a quarter to cook. So we'll just go and pop it in the oven. And here we have it. I've just got it out of the oven. I've left it for about 10 minutes to cool down, and we'll just get it out and see how we go with it. It doesn't want to come out. Okay, let's see what we can do to help it. So I'm just going to go around and see if this will help it. And I did grease this really, really well. So I'm very surprised it didn't just slip straight out. Okay, let's try that. There we go. That looks beautiful. Now I am going to cut it because I'm taking it somewhere on Saturday. I'm taking it to our produce swap meet, and it will need to be cut for that. So I'm just going to slice into it and let you have a look at it. And there you go. It's beautifully moist. It smells delicious. You can smell that hint of lemon in there. And it's really, really light. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me on this video. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you give this cake a try. If you do, leave me some comments about how it went for you. All right, see you again next time. Bye.